Hello everybody, this is Savine again, and this time we're going to talk to another program manager in the AX team. So TJ, can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is TJ Vassar. I'm a program manager here on the Microsoft Dynamics team. I have been for a little over a year now, and enjoy my position.
So what's your background in Microsoft, TJ?
So I have been a program manager for a year and a half. Before that, I was a developer for 14 years, working on a number of products from games to personal finance software to web service based software.
Now what do you do in the AX team?
In the AX team, I'm responsible for designing the tooling for the reporting framework, the SSRS reporting framework in particular.
And how did you get into business intelligence and reporting in AX?
That's quite an interesting story. I actually worked on the initial migration project of porting MorphX reports to SSRS as a developer. I got interested in the framework. I had some insights that I thought I could bring to the team, and a position became available, and I jumped right on it.
Fantastic, fantastic. And so far you're liking it, right?
I love it. It's very
Okay, TJ, what's interesting about this to me is that you were a developer, you know how the MorphX, the X++ reports work, and you're the program manager who designs the features for the AX SSRS reporting framework, the new production reporting framework.
Yes.
So you've seen sort of both ends of the spectrum,
Yes.
right? And you've been part of the migration, which is quite interesting. Now, one thing I'd like to focus on in this small interview is, what are some things that you personally feel people can get excited about in the SSRS reporting framework in AX 2012?
Oh, I'm glad you asked that. It's one of my passions to make sure the platform really works well for developers. And there are three major areas where they'll benefit the most. One is productivity. With the SSRS reporting framework, you have the ability to reuse code across reporting solutions, take advantage of legacy business logic that you've built in X++ and use in new reporting solutions. And that just really empowers developers to do more with less. Two, the reports are just a much better graphical representation of the data. You can do things with SSRS that you simply could not do with the MorphX reporting framework.
And here you're talking, I think, about the formatting and the colors and the charts and things like that.
Not only that, but also just the graphing abilities, the interactiveness with the reports, and just the level of control over the topography of the report itself.
And so any other things that you think people might get really excited about?
Well, I know that people will be very excited with how you can now launch reports and interact with them to make the end users more productive. You can not only use reports to get insights into the data, but you can use reports to drive business decisions. You can act on the data directly in the report.
So our new framework makes it a bit easier.
Makes it a lot easier.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Well, I didn't want to go too long with this little interview, TJ. So I think in the future we'll do some deep dives on some of the topics you mentioned. Okay, so thanks for your time. Okay, and everyone who's watching, we'll get more of these interviews up soon. Thanks.
Thank you.